Hello, my name is Frank Galdames, treatment consultant here at Radiance, and today I will be answering one of the most common questions asked by people interested in the all-on-4 procedure. Who qualifies for the third-party financing? Well, qualifying largely depends on your credit worthiness, which is usually a combination of your income, credit history, credit score, and your debt-to-income ratio. And today we're going to talk about your credit score and the debt-to-income ratio. If your credit score is considered less than fair, meaning a score of 630 or less, it's a great idea to work on improving your score first to get a shot at a better interest rate in the future. The fastest way to improve your credit score will be to pay down any credit card debt and to clean up any inaccurate items on your credit report. Now let's talk about debt-to-income ratio. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, most lenders prefer a debt-to-income ratio of 36% or less. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. Your take-home pay is $5,000 a month after taxes. 36% of that is $1,800, meaning the most monthly debt payments you could have is $1,800. So say, for example, you have $600 a month car payments and a $200 a month in credit card payments. Your chances of getting approved for a loan for one of our dental solutions are very good. On the other hand, using the same income example of $5,000 a month, only this time you have a $700 a month car payment and another $1,000 a month in credit card payments and other debt obligations. In this example, the chances of getting approved for any significant amount would be on the very low end. I hope this video helps. If you have any additional questions for us, please let us know. And see you soon on another video.